What up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we are going to do a two-part kind of vlog. The beginning part is going to be a haul of the spring collection 2025. It's available on www.ronniedesign.com. And I just wanted to go over the pieces, the sizing, and what to expect if you guys are looking for the merch. I know a lot of people have been anticipating the winter collection, and that got put on hold due to samples. And now we finally got the samples in, but it is spring. So with it being spring, we want to make sure that, you know, we're up to date. So this is the spring collection. Same design, except we changed the Japanese on the back to spring collection. The first piece that we have here is the jogger sweat set. So these are slim fit joggers with a little bit of an oversized crew neck. You can go true to size with these. For me, I am 5'7", 145 pounds. So this is going to fit me very slim and athletic. And then if I wanted to switch it up, I would go grab the sweatpants, which are going to be a baggier fit. And on your screen right now, it's going to be just me and all the different fits. But yeah, you could see that these are baggier, a little more cozy, loungy, maybe like an airport fit. And then the other one's a little bit more slim, athletic. Maybe you want to go on a run if it's kind of chilly out. These are fleece. Black version of it, I have a medium top with a small bottom, but we have the black as well as what it would look like with the sweatpants, the baggy ones. I haven't taken these sweatpants off. I've been wearing them all the time. So these are my favorite piece of the collection. And then we're going to move on to the t-shirt and the tank top. So the cutoff tank top, I've done a lot of pieces of merch with this exact cut. It fits great. It's great for working out. And then I have the t-shirt. Now this is an oversized t-shirt. This is a medium you're seeing. The tank top was a small. And what you're gonna notice about the oversized t-shirt, it's very oversized. So I definitely could have sized down to a small. Really and truthfully, like if you wanted to even go a size down, you probably can pull it off. And then the last piece, which is like the grail piece of this entire collection, is this heavyweight hoodie. It is, the stats are on your screen right now, but I would go true to size for this as well because it is oversized. And yeah, like there is no strings or anything, nothing that gets in your way. I think it's a very warm hoodie. Just keep that in mind. But I wore a small. Again, it's oversized, and you know, you have the gang hand on the hood, as well as the spring collection on the back, and the Design Docs on the bottom. Design Docs, spring collection. Get at it. It is available now on the website, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the pieces, and hopefully this was enlightening to you guys, because I like it when channels or even you know, YouTubers, they do a haul and they show the pieces. So let's start the vlog of us practicing right before our Tampa practice. Gang. Okay guys, this is Potato and this is his fence he built. Tell the vlog what you have to say. Okay, goodbye. I made a pound of ground beef. I got 2 tortillas. Simple. Salt, pepper, garlic. I'm out of here. We're boarding like now. Jackson's still going through security. Traffic is a bitch getting here. I have a dope unboxing for you guys. Did something nice to that HK Army shredder I was shooting.
Hey.
Dude, he's here.
Hey.
Jackson had to go through a different security line than me, so he is running over here. What's that?
You guys come together?
Oh yeah. Virgil picked us up. Alright, we made it. And we got a party row. We're not partying yet, but we're gonna be partying. Party. That was chaos getting off the plane. There's people arguing. Did you see that?
Oh, there's nothing to go down.
Did you actually see it?
I didn't. I look away from the confrontation. I just heard.
No, there's a lady out there that was starting shit. She wouldn't wait
The
to
lady
get
that
her
wouldn't
bag.
let me get a waffle and a pretzel. We
Oh,
tried that
Jackson's
while we were
pissed.
sleeping.
Jackson's pissed he didn't
Yeah.
get
She
a
said
waffle and a
She
pretzel.
said what?
She said,
No. What did she say?
fucking, we're on rations here.
She did say
She did
we're
say,
full.
Like, we're full. Like,
We're full.
a
No,
pretzel.
you're like, no, bitch.
It's a
I'm
pretzel.
trying to be full.
and she made it awkward because I had to ask 3 times because she didn't hear me.
You're like, can I get both? She goes, waffle?
Yeah.
Can I get both? Waffle? I don't know where Soap is. He's nowhere to be found. We gotta go to get our bags and then hit up Landry Seafood. Maybe get a cocktail. Extra cock. Hey, do you want Whataburger? Here it is, dude. Who's time? Who's this guy? Did you find mashed potatoes?
Not yet.
Okay.
Hopefully, we're on the way.
All right, bro.
What's a chalupa? I've never heard of that.
It's kind of like a chalupa.
Chalupas?
You know, like the chalupas from Taco Bell? Ask Mishka
Yeah.
what his chalupa is.
A chalupa.
Yeah, he should have brought you one. We made it, Mish.
Nice.
He's got a beanie on because it's cold here. Oh, I got guys in the back too.
Today we're good. It's not cold today.
We're in H-Town.
A couple of days ago it's good.
Why's my light on? We got food. I didn't film it because it was good. Cody got new bags.
And yeah.
Oh, I got a pack too, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I got a rental pack. Yeah.
Damn, that lady's gonna hate us.
Okay, I don't think this is our room. You need to
work.
No, it's not gonna work. What's going on right now, Jack? Well, Cody and okay, this is basically what's happening. Cody and Soap were rooming together. They walked into a room. There was a guy already sleeping in the bed that they were supposed to be in. Apparently, the hotel gave their room up to some guy. Cody saw the guy and was trying to back up. Soap was just kind of not paying attention, and he was trying to walk forward. They both had their gear bags. It was a mess, but yeah, it was pretty funny.
What's that? Mishka, what's happening? Why are there people in people's rooms? My key doesn't work. I thought you figured this stuff out before we showed up here.
There's somebody in here.
He was like, oh, I've been waiting for you guys. I was out of there, dude. I was out of there, brother.
All right, vlog. Got a new gear bag. I'm gonna go through it in this dark ass hotel room. And I got a new ELX pack, a new armored CTX top right here. Got me a goggle strap. The skulls. Got myself a tank grip. Fucking 30 fucking blank rolls of tape. What else? I got a new rag. Jackson throwing shit at me. Got a new speed feed. And then I got this. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys over here. Welcome to Ron's unboxing portion of the travel vlog. We're going to start with this barrel tip that's sealed. Damn, dude. They sealed this shit? Shout out to Arc Anodizing. We got the HK Army barrel tip. Oh, it's polished black. You know what that means.
Once you go black, you're gonna need a wheelchair.
Hey, Latrell.
Tell me,
Okay, call me later.
as I was saying,
Look at this, Jackson. Look how it gives it to me.
That's pretty sick, dude.
Freshly sealed barrel tips. I got two lightsabers here. This bad boy is polished black as well. This one is a cherry blossom faded tip, silver to black. Unveiling of what I talked to you guys about in the last vlog, a few vlogs ago. The shredder. And we got her polished black. Told you guys this gun was gonna look good polished black, and I was fucking right. Look at that bad boy. Is it ag, Jackson?
No.
Thank you, Arc Anodizing. If you guys want to get your guns anode, you guys know where to go. Ryan Hall is the man. If you can't get gloss black right, then there's a problem, and he does gloss black really well. Look at that. Obsidian body. Question is, which barrel tip? All right, that's it. We're going to bed. Jackson's still wearing his pants, and he's wearing his chain.
Nah, this is Ron's. Now you got like 5 chains on. Thing's heavy. Dear God.
Is ridiculous. Chain gang strong, dude.
I think Mishka would look good in that.
This thing is ridiculous. On that note, good night, vlog. See you guys tomorrow for our practice here in Houston.
Freight car steaming down the line to Birmingham.
What up, vlog? It is 8:05 a.m. 8:05. 8:06. It just changed. 8:06 a.m. And it's cold outside. So we gotta put on layers. But it's something that we're used to from the Midwest. Dude, the Whoop Band's on. Make sure you guys use the link in the description below and activate yours. It's free for the first 30 days. We're waiting on Jackson, dude. Taking so fucking long, man. Dude. God, dude. Look, he's the last one here. See? I'm the first one to the
I had a
elevator.
room key, and I'm not even sure if I do. So
Oh, don't worry. Your roommate has one.
we're good.
Okay, bye.
We're doing it, Ron.
What are we doing?
We're going to the field after we get some cafe.
You're driving.
First time.
Hi, Chad. How are you?
What's good?
Hi, Sam.
Right now.
How are you?
Fingers can be warmer, but doing all right.
Are you cold?
Not too bad.
Yeah, this ain't no Chicago, but it's still kind of chilly out here.
Did some footage this weekend for Hal, so he has more stuff to put on. We'll just take turns, maybe film a point, skip them.
Yeah, right. And they ordered a lot of stuff.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, we did.
Is that America?
Maybe the bacon, egg, and cheese was small. Can I get that with this? I might get the other thing.
I didn't know I'm starting to make it.
This thing's fucking sick, man.
It's 2 big slices of avocado, honey, edible flowers, freeze-dried raspberries.
I could do me some
Tar is the only friend that gives a damn. Running on the borderline.
You can, but it's not like the food, okay?
I like it.
I do.
I would have eaten it too.
It says edible flower.
Hey, listen!
Yeah, hold on. He's on me. Hold on. Okay. good, son?
Are you okay?
Had a good time because you guy fell down. You guy went into the snake, and so I shot high, and then I seen you. And I just missed. Oh, you fell. That was good.
Jesus Christ, that was not good. Way to film, bro.
Yeah, good job. Hey, you did great out there, dude. Yeah, you're fucking great, dude. You fucking died. They're fucking great. You fucking great.
Tokyo the one! Tokyo the one! Tokyo the one! I got your back all day. Ryan, I think it's 5-1, brother. One's down the wire! One's down the wire! Give him one, sorry! Give him one! 100! 100! Laser! Laser! The 5! Niche! The 5! He's inside! 5's inside!
Southbound on a riverboat to Baton Rouge.
That's 5! 5! 2 5! Hey, we're in the snake. We're in the snake. 2-1! Snake! 5 in the snake! Kill 1! 54! Hey, we got a 5 and a snake, Sammy. 54! Snake 5, Mishka! Snake 5! Snake and 5! Godzilla, Mish! Godzilla, Mishka! It's kill 1 at least! 5, snake, kill 2! It's kill 2! Godzilla, snake, and 5! Godzilla, snake, and 5! Hey, Ron, you might be able to go highway here. They're in the snake 1. You want to go highway, shoot the Godzilla? Snake 2, 5! Godzilla! Where's Godzilla looking? Godzilla's your way! Godzilla's your way, Mishka! Ron, you want me to do it? What? Oh, sorry.
So I want to say a big shout out to Wasteland Paintball as well as Outlaw Anodizing for having us out. It was a great time to get together, play some really fun paintball until the weather got a little too wet out there, and just do some team bonding stuff. That's the one thing that our team has been missing coming into this season, was having the half of the team being the core members and the other half being new guys. We really needed to just get the time on the field out of the way, and yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Fantastic. What can I get for you there, bud?
Yes. Let me know when. Run it, dude.
Give it to me, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh, let me see. Pretty nice, right, Mish?
Ron, you just ruined my video.
Yeah, I can send you.
Keep it late next time. Anybody order it? Oh yeah.
He got for.
Thank you.
You order one. Oh no.
Okay.
Ronnie
I was
ordered
gonna say,
for
it has to be a regular.
Thank you.
Hellbound, like a rambler with them keys.
You do? Not right. You do? I got it. Right. Excuse me. Burping up the room.
What are we doing? Nice work, Ron. What are we doing, Silk?
Laundry.
I got the best beanie collection in the league, man.
Oh shit.
Don't get it
Dude,
twisted.
one
This
is
guy, he doesn't even know. It's getting me.
the shoes.
This is how we deliver coffee. In the Houston Eat House Hotel.
Did you get the card just for the coffee? You got no free
Thanks, Ron.
Coffee delivery. They're getting ready for 10 man today.
We are bunkering you.
I'm playing 10 man today. Got the mech frame on. Watch this shit.
Ooh, look at that trigger, Ron.
Woo! Who designed that?
Ooh, I don't know. Some dummy. It was me.
Shit out of here. You excited for 10 man?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's get it.
Mish, you excited?
Oh yeah.
What are you gonna wear?
Oh yeah. I might carry my.
What color shirt are you gonna wear?
Black.
I wear a red shirt. I'm gonna wear a red shirt. Okay. Cody, you excited for 10 mans?
Oh yeah. 10 minutes.
I'm gonna wear a red shirt and hide behind
Turbo.
fucking turbo. I wear a red shirt and I hide behind Mish.
Everybody try to kill him.
I did stuff. And he's running with his phone up.
It's Cody Papa. About to get after it. Out here. Fuck yeah, Cody, go get him. Wait, Cody's right here. Dude, you're out there though. Get him. Fucking right, Cody. About to rip some 10 man. Back right! Back right! Back right! Back right! Back right! Watch out! He's shooting at us! Back right's on us! Back right's on us! Hey! Back right! Hey, kill one! Kill one! Right, we killed the back right.
We kill back right on the break.
Hey, snake! Snake! Snake!
Can I get your vlog? Hey guys.
Mish! We shoot right again?
Let's go, Ron.
Get the fuck out! Five! The five! Two in the five! Power the five!
Double five.
Two in the five, Ryan! Get on this fucking elbow, motherfucker!
Double five.
Oh shit! Hit! He's out!
Hit him out! And he's 100% shot.
And as you guys can see, we had a huge turnout to play some 10-man and enjoy what we all came here to do, and why we're all together is because of the game of paintball. I had a great time as well as the team, and thank you to John Jackson and TXR Paintball staff for putting on such a cool, fun day. We all had to fly out right after this, so it was a short-lived weekend, but we had a great time, and these memories will be irreplaceable. Okay, all right. I should be done narrating now. Bye. Also, if you guys stuck around this far, tomorrow I'm dropping barrel tips, so stay tuned on the website because there's only 15 of these ever made. Peace.